Alright you guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be changing out the tail lights in the 04 Mustang. As you can see, this side you have the white reverse, and you see this one looks like it's a little tinted. Well, it's actually not. There is water in this one. So I got some new tail lights off of American Muscle. They just got here today. I went and got new reverse light bulbs, and I think it came with a new wiring harness. So we'll look and see. Give me 1 second. Let's go grab those other tail lights, and we'll come back out here and put them on. Alright, so these are the new tail light bulbs. Well, not new tail light bulbs, new tail lights. I'm going to grab them. We're going to go outside and go ahead and get these out. Alright, so I did go with a more smoked version. So I am going to pull them out. I'm not going to record me pulling them out, just because it's just me. But so what you do is you unscrew the liner from here. And they have little bolts. Just unhook them. You have to unhook this, I believe. We're not going to mess with that because I believe that is the fuel shutoff valve right there, just in case you get in a wreck. So yeah, we're going to take care of both of these real quick. Once I get them untied and pulled out, I will show them to you. Alright, so we got the first tail light ready to come out, I think. There it goes. Alright, give me 1 second. Alright, so it did come with a whole new harness, so we're going to go ahead and take this out. I did not get the actual taillight bulbs themselves, just the reverse, so I am going to have to take those out real quick. And just for any of those who might be wondering, I did use an 11mm to get them out. Most of the time, I just crank just a little bit, and then it loosened up where I can do it by my hand. Alright, so here's the harness all the way out. As you see, this was the one that was sitting up under the water. Look at all that nastiness. I did get a new LED bulb for the reverse lights, which I'll show you here in a second. But let me go ahead and put the wiring harness back in here and get it in the tail light, and we'll go from there. Just in case you're wondering, this is the new reverse light that I got. I think it was like $25 for the two, which is kind of expensive, but they're supposed to last. Alright, let me get this in, then I'll get the tail light back in here, and I'll show you the before and after kind of look. Alright, so we got all the bulbs hooked up. We got this popped back in. You can use a flathead, or I use the key for the car to get this popped in so it's got a nice good seal. Alright, let's get this light set up in here. Alright, so I've only got one bolt in, but before I tighten them down and get them all in there, I just want to make sure the turn signal was working. And it is, as you can see. But that's a pretty good difference right there. Let me go turn the turn signal off and I'll let you see it again. Alright, so I still haven't tightened it down, but what do you guys think so far? Got a slightly more tinted version. I think I like that better. I think it looks good. But alright, let me tighten that one down and then we'll work on the next one. Alright, so we got the passenger side out. It was a little bit more difficult getting this piece out, but let's get the bulbs out that I need, put the reverse light in. I'll get it fed in here, get this one in here, and then I'll show you a picture. Alright, they're both working. Looks good. Alright, let me put my trunk liner back together. I already have both of them tightened down. So let me put my trunk back together and get this out of the way, and I will show you the final look. Alright, you guys, there's the final look. I think that looks mean. Yeah. A whole lot better than these shiny red ones down here. Tasteful mod. Alright, you guys, thank you for stopping in to check on us. Stay tuned. We will be doing more with this, but we're going to focus on finishing up Becky first. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And make sure you turn that notification bell on. I'm sorry for the post last week. We had a lot of wind like we do at the second. So you couldn't hear Devin talking about this car, but stay tuned. He will do an update about this car, tell you everything he knows about it. I know a little bit, but Devin is the one who talked to the guy that originally had this car before the last guy and done most of the work to it. So yeah, stay tuned for that video. Don't forget to hustle harder.